so that we lost the washer. And Mark said, "Don't lose the washer."
And that's the washer.
That's the washer.
Is that so you can sign autographs? Since it's so famous?
Hey, what we're going to do tonight is remove the third member, which added this hot rod of ours. It's got a Detroit locker in it, and we're going to switch it over just to a regular straight up positive traction.
It makes too much noise.
Yeah, the Detroit locker is a little unnerving, clack, 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 around the corners, and then when you go back to the left, it's clack, 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 like that.
Just like that.
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna take that baby out of there and put in a regular posi. So here we go.
Looks like our that might just have to hang on there until we slide the axles and then they come off. Yeah, because the bolts are hitting the backside of the axle.
So I've got this car. I need you to come look at it. This is in the movie Sky Game. While we're there. This car.
Yeah.
I brought it down there and hands a shot.
Then just give it a couple of smacks, the dog come right out of there without much trouble.
Do you want to put that? Is it hidden?
So you couldn't see it until you started clearing, is that what you're saying? Yeah.
Oh yeah, there was no way to ever known the trees were that deep.
And I thought somebody was gonna get in there at night and try and pop the engine out of it or something.
There was no way you're gonna get in there at night though.
Yeah, it's just, the bud's just too deep.
Yeah. It'd be like trying to go to the swamp back here behind your house and getting it out.
There's a couple Volkswagens back there. You deposited that down like that. Long time ago. So square back and like a 58 Baja. It's just gone. It's gone back to earth. Not to be the keeper of all the nuts and
The
bolts.
keeper of the flame, Opie. Nuts and washers, Ope.
Oh, bring him back over there.
Yeah, we gotta get this axle out.
Oh, you need him to do it.
Thankfully, we only went with 31 spline because if we didn't, there ain't no way that stock rear would ever go back in one.
I'm Bruno Mossel, Broad Squad, trucking. If you're running time lapse, they go beep, 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 beep.
But it's yeah.
I doubt Paulo will do this.
You never know these days. There you go.
I think what I'm looking at over there is the seal came off of the race housing.
You can draw me up where I just had the 4 postcode codes all around it. And set those.
Oh,
Save you
yeah.
the concrete.
Yeah, okay.
It will be okay. Once you get everything going back in, it's gonna go back and be okay. We'll have to put some sealer on there, of course.
Clean off the seal and put the seal back.
So yeah, it stayed in the housing, didn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be okay. Now, I was hoping it would all come out like that one, but you know how it goes.
Yeah, the inner race stayed in. Or the outer race stayed in.
It's like in,
Right.
in Honda bearings, when you had to pull the front wheel bearing to do a rotor, you separate the whole assembly like that and you think, oh my gosh, this thing's gonna howl and carry on, but they end up fine. You know, nobody ever changes gear oil. Got all the nuts loose?
All of them are off.
What was that, a plastic hammer?
The plastic one fell. He won't hit it with the plastic.
Yeah, it's in the plastic. Oh, I will come out with plastic now.
Come on now. This thing shouldn't be this hard.
You want me to pull the one next to you out so it don't hit your head?
Yeah. Stand it up and it'll keep
Yeah.
the oil from... Don't rake it on the...
Hold the panel on either side. So he's not.
We want to back
Yep, I'm not away.
Heavy.
I know, you gotta let it down so I can actually get up onto this thing. You gotta pull it off the screwdriver. This thing's on such an angle. Let me see it. I'll get it. Move all your hands and let that down some more. Give it to the floor with the pan. I got it.
Alright, go down, Kev.
Yeah, go all the way down. I got it all in it.
Nothing like the smell of gear oil in the morning.
Got a mid-show wardrobe change. Gear all on the shorts. I say this is the one that came out of Phil Bates. It might have been one that Papa had actually.
You think this is just plain old open rear, isn't it?
No. No, it shouldn't be. It should be a factory posi with a 325 gear. Oh. Watch your fingers. Hold on.
Put this on, squirt around it.
Yeah, that'd be much better.
Could have started with that.
Yeah. Oh, I need some help.
A little heavier than with a spool, ain't it?
Just guiding it.
Right there, yep. Okay.
Alrighty. Trip, hit the nuts.
That's it.
Grab your nuts, Trip. Yeah. These nuts. I got these nuts.
Ferocious your nuts.
These nuts, those nuts, any nuts.
These nuts right here.
put the skinny end on first, right?
Yeah, right.
Do what?
The skinny end
Yeah, the
on
pinch
first.
end goes first. Yep.
This rear end was built in Lansing, Michigan. The other one was built here in Detroit.
There's quite a few things sitting around that I know I'm not going to use.
Want an impact for that? Cordless impact? Yeah, sure. Let's make it.
Like electric 18-volt battery?
Right.
I think that pinion preload is 3 inch-pounds.
So you're saying
Ring
there's
gear.
more of a chance this one will be more like 12, shouldn't it?
You drive it like she stole it.
Yeah, we had it on the test drive. I come off of 288 at Cofield Road.
Hold on.
This thing hit 85 miles an hour so fast you don't even know it.
I mean, that's got a decent groove in it. But on the backside, it's nowhere near as bad. It's only on the that whatever that edge is.
Probably from the launches where it's wrapping that rear end.
You might. Yeah, you're probably right on that actually. Good thing you can just weld that back, right?
Yeah.
Using the card with the city vehicle number, and then continuing to run gas into their personal vehicle.
I mean, hey, you got to make your own bonuses, right? This is the moment of truth to see if it spins both axles.
Against you.
Oh yes, they both turn.
Just still. One thing about life, man, change is constant.
Yep.
So if you launch it on the trans brake, it feels like you're gonna rip the rear into the back seat with you.
If you do it off the two-step, though, there's a money hop.
Yeah, well, that's what I meant. Yeah.
Just do the blow them off. It hurts.
I think, well, the weight bias on it, all of it is on the rear. When I put it on the scales, it's heavier on the rear than it is the front. Yes.
How you want it.
Huh?
That's how you want it.
Yeah. Well, he said he's surprised his welding job on the wheel fell up.
Wire off here.
What?
So we can have the same miss that we
I
all
want to
did.
hit it with the lift arm. Unplug one coil.
Oh, you were for real?
Yeah.
Oh. What? Oh, you really could tell?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because I drive it so much.
right.
I could tell, like, 2,800 felt like what 3,200 was before.
All right.
Oh, that's cool.
Pretty crisp from here when y'all up in the industrial park getting on it.
Yeah, because it was 350 to a 325, so it's a little bit different.
Yeah.
See, now you can drive it to Summer Duck.
Yeah.